Number 1. The Flexi Snake Drain Weasel Sink Snake Hair Clog Remover Tool offers an efficient solution for tackling clogs. Its unique design features an 18-inch drain snake with microhooks and a 360-degree rotation mechanism, effectively locking in hair, filth, and grime for thorough cleaning. The tool is simple to operate and has 3 easy steps. Insert the wand into the drain, rotate the handle to latch onto the clog, and pull it out. Once the job is done, the used wand can be discarded, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. The package includes 5 disposable wand refills and a reusable quick connect handle for ongoing convenience. This versatile tool works on most drains, provided the correct length and size are selected. It is particularly effective for pipes ranging from 0.5 to 5 inches. With its efficient design and user-friendly operation, this drain snake cleaner is a practical choice for maintaining clear and functional drains. Number 2. The High-Pressure Air Drain Blaster Gun Drain Clog Remover Tool offers an efficient solution for clearing stubborn blockages with high-pressure compressed air, reaching up to 120 psi, 8 bar. This versatile tool is perfect for tackling clogs in floor drains, showers, sinks, tubs, and pipes, delivering quick and hassle-free results. Its upgraded design includes enhanced exhaust pistons with multiple heads, seals, and air pressure indicators, ensuring superior performance and reliability. An improved toilet-specific head prevents sewage splashes and adapts flexibly to different challenges. The package also comes with additional gloves and a toilet auger for added convenience. Built with a durable stainless steel shell and an ABS handle, this tool is reusable, easy to disassemble for storage, and ensures a long service life, making it a practical and efficient choice for maintaining clear drains. Number 3. The Populo 120-volt auto-feed drain auger is a reliable tool designed for tackling clogs in various household drains. Whether dealing with blockages in kitchen sinks, shower drains, toilets, or bathtub pipes, this electric plumbing snake provides an efficient solution. It can handle pipes up to 23 feet long with diameters ranging from 3/4 inches to 2 inches, giving you control over even the most stubborn clogs. With its automated operation, manual effort is no longer needed. Simply plug in the power, press the switch, and let the auger's automatic in and out function clear the blockage. Its high rotation speed of up to 560 RPM ensures effective and swift cleaning, making it perfect for hair blockages and other common clogs. This tool combines convenience and efficiency to keep your drains flowing smoothly. Number 4. The Sewer Jetter Kit for Pressure Washer is a high-performance cleaning solution that tackles tough clogs and debris. With a maximum working pressure of 5,800 psi and a temperature range of 40 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this durable hose is built to withstand harsh conditions. Its construction includes a thermoplastic polyester inner tube, a thermoplastic polyurethane cover tube, and a high-tenacity polyester fabric reinforcement layer, offering weather, oil, abrasion, and ozone resistance. The kit includes a range of specialized sewer jet nozzles for versatile cleaning tasks. The pointed nozzle features 1 front and 6 rear spray holes, while the mushroom nose nozzle provides a 0 degrees front spray and 33 degrees rear sprays. The rotating nozzle spins 3 rear sprays at 33 degrees for thorough cleaning, and the corner jet nozzle adds a sideways spray with 3 rear jets at 33 degrees. A spring nozzle is included for navigating pipes with ease. Equipped with a 1/4 inch MNPT quick connect system on both ends, the hose allows for easy assembly and use. Additional features include a storage strap for portability, a pearl corsage pin for unclogging nozzles, and tape to prevent leaks, ensuring a seamless and efficient cleaning experience. Number 5. The DrainX Toilet Auger 6-foot is a practical and efficient tool for clearing toilet clogs without causing damage. Its 6-foot steel auger cable, featuring a 3/8 inch diameter and a bulb head, is designed to catch and remove clog residue effectively. The tool's curved plastic end ensures protection for your porcelain while allowing the auger to navigate deeper into the pipe for thorough clog removal. For user convenience, The auger includes plastic grips for both hands and a rotating knob at the top. This design enables precise control, allowing you to drive the cable into the pipe and rotate it to clear the blockage. Durable and user-friendly, the DrainX toilet auger is a reliable solution for maintaining toilet functionality without mess or damage.